Welcome back. Terry Bollea, better known as Hulk Hogan, was a six-time WWF champion and later a reality star in Hogan Knows Best. He died in July from a heart attack at 71, but now there's drama surrounding his estate. Let's bring in our legal expert, Danielle Mayoras, to break this all down for us. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, so let's get into the drama. What is going on with his estate?
Well, at this point in time, no will has been filed, and that's really not surprising because with his estate, which is tens of millions of dollars, it's most likely he did a trust or many trusts. But what's really interesting in his estate, at least for me, is that reportedly his daughter Brooke said that she wanted to be removed from his will and trust a few years ago because she didn't want to deal with any family drama or tension down the road.
Is that unusual?
It is.
Okay.
I mean, it's very unusual. You know, I've been doing this almost 3 decades, and for a child to say they wanted to be removed is definitely atypical.
Yeah.
But what's not atypical is fighting over wills and trusts. And I actually give her a lot of kudos for thinking ahead about that family drama because that drama is expensive and time-consuming. And in this case, with the third marriage situation, it's very typical.
Okay, so there were 3 marriages involved.
Yes, he was married to his 3rd wife when he passed away. Okay. And it's not unusual that there's, you know, tension between children from a prior marriage and a current spouse.
Yeah, how can viewers avoid situations like this, especially if there's more than one marriage involved?
2 main things that they can do. The first is please do a prenuptial agreement. So many people think that that's just to protect you in the event of a divorce, but actually a prenup outlines what happens if you pass away to your assets. So it can protect children from a prior marriage or whatever your wishes may be. The second thing is it helps to do a revocable living trust that keeps your affairs private, and it actually reduces any family fighting down the road.
So does the same advice apply for someone who is only married one time?
Absolutely. I mean, I think prenups or postnup, if you're already married, can really benefit everyone. That being said, when you do have, you know, multiple marriages, it's even more important because then you have more people to protect.
Right. So shout out to Brooke. She removed herself completely.
Yes.
Do you have advice for other family members who want to avoid this kind of drama?
You know, it doesn't have to be a third marriage situation to create any potential drama. There can be sibling rivalry, there can be improper influence from one kid to a parent. So plan for the worst and hope for the best so that you can really prevent that drama down the road, and removing yourself is one way to do that. A second thing that you can do is just don't procrastinate. No one thought that Hulk Hogan would pass away at the age of 71 with a heart attack. So all of us can benefit no matter what our age, getting into the planning in place now. And lastly, you really want to work with a specialist because when estate planning attorneys drafts wills and trusts, we put special provisions in. It's not like a boilerplate document. No contest clause and different things to protect your wishes and make sure to protect your family as well.
All right. Interesting to see how this one will play out.
Yes, it will be interesting. We might not hear anything. Maybe he dotted his I's and crossed his T's. We'll see.
We'll see. All right, Danielle, thank you so much for being here.